Thanks for joining me on my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Helps me to make more videos. In this video I'm going to attempt to try to figure out what's going on with my tailgate on a 2013 Acura MDX. Basically what's happening is the tailgate goes up, makes some beeping sounds, and then starts to make its way back down. I'm speculating that most likely the shocks holding the tailgate are worn out and it's unable to hold them up. As a result, it's causing it to go back down. So I'm going to demonstrate what's happening. So here's the tailgate going up. Bounces around a bit, makes some beeping sounds, and makes its way back down. Okay, so what I've done is I purchased some tailgate shocks for this vehicle online. I just picked it up from Amazon. Like all my videos, I'm not promoting anyone, but that's where I found them. That's the part number, 2013 Acura MDX. So I'm going to take these out, show you what they look like, and then we're going to proceed to change them and see if that indeed is the issue that's causing the tailgate to come back down on its own. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've just removed them out of the box. Well, the plastic and the box. So that's the box. Same part number that was on the plastic wrapping. And both shocks have the same part number, so there is no left or right. Okay, safety first, like anything. So once you got this tailgate up, I suggest get someone to help you hold it up as you change the shocks, or put a piece of wood or something to hold it. You don't want this thing coming down, crashing on you and hurting you. So safety number one. Okay, so I manually lifted the tailgate, held it up, and put these two pieces of wood in place. Got a piece of 2x4 here holding it up on this side, and I always like to have more than enough, so I put a second one on this side here. That should be sufficient to hold it, but if you do have a person that can help you out, please get them to do that for you, just in case you knock the wood or something as you're moving, or you jiggle it loose and it falls. Okay, so let's proceed to remove the shocks. These are the shocks that we're going to be removing. And these are very similar to my video I did on the front shocks on this same vehicle. Looks like I'm going to put a little screwdriver in there, just pop this clip off. That should take this off. Once that comes off, we should be able to do the same on this side. And we'll do the same here on the right side. Just pop this plastic off, pull this out, and we'll do the same over here. So let's try to do that as I'm filming it. Hopefully it goes well. Okay, I'm going to start on the left side. As you can see, the shock is loose, which means there's not a lot of pressure on it. These woods are holding it up, so I'm going to pop it over here first. Put the screwdriver in there. Kind of just lift that up. Okay, so that's out, and I'm going to do the same over here. Just get the screwdriver in there. This might be a bit big, the screwdriver, but kind of just twist it. Oh, the whole thing just came flying off. Okay, so this is the old shock, and we're going to replace it with the new one. So here's the new shock. Ready to go. Just get that in there and push. See if I can do this with one hand as I hold the camera. Oh, that was easy, so that went in. And I don't know if you're gonna push, I'll be able to push these in. So what I'm gonna end up having to do is probably lift the tailgate, my hand, holding it of course because my woods will come loose. and then getting this shock in. So let me do that off camera since I'm only one person here. Okay, so I ended up having to lift it up quite a bit to get that in. So I lifted it with one hand and I pressed it with the other. And with this one in, it seems to be holding the tailgate at this point because the other 2x4 is not really doing anything at this point. So I'm hoping I fixed the issue. So let's proceed to change this one now on the right hand side. We're going to do the same thing. I am going to position these woods just in case the tailgate decides to go on me. I want it to fall on the wood, not on me. Okay, so let's see if I get a better view of this one or a better shot. So we're going to stick the screwdriver in here. Okay, that clips off, so that's going to come out. Okay, so let's do this side here now. I'm going to put the screwdriver this time right here because I can't get it from behind here, so I'm going to put it right here and just kind of twist it to get that clip up. Okay, so with the clip out of the way, I should be able to remove the shock. I am going to hold the lift gate as I do it with one hand, just in case. So pull this shock out. Okay, the tailgate was coming down slightly, not too much. Looks like it just went back in, so I'm going to have to lift that up again. Let me just do that. Okay, with that up, this should come off. Okay, so that came out. These shocks are in bad shape. Put the new one in. So as you can see, I'm just clipping it basically in. This is the part that goes in. Kind of just push that in. That's in. As you can see, it snapped in pretty quick. And I'm going to lift the tailgate to get this side in. So I'm lifting it. And I'm going to push that in. Okay, so with the shocks replaced, sorry I had to do the this end here off camera because I needed to lift the tailgate with both with two hands, and as I kind of pressed this in because it was too far the shock, and I needed to get the tailgate up high enough so I can get this in. So with the two shocks replaced, the tailgate is holding up without the wood. I've removed the wood already, and well, let's do this test. Bring the tailgate down. Okay, tailgate's down, moment of truth. Let's see the tailgate open. Hopefully it doesn't bounce up and down, and it stays open, and it doesn't come back down on its own. Voila, problem solved. So changing the shocks on the tailgate solved the problem with the tailgate coming back down on its own once it opened up. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, like this video if it helped you, and till next time, thank you.